Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily disconnect a bank account from QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just head over and click on Bank Transactions. You will then be redirected to the bank transactions page where you can also view all of your connected accounts on QuickBooks. So we have a sample bank account here that is connected on our QuickBooks. And in order to disconnect this bank account, all you have to do is click on the pencil icon, then click on Edit Account Info. A window will then pop up. Just navigate and look for Disconnect this account on Save. This option will help you to automatically disconnect your bank account. Once you check this box, then just click on Yes. And once you click on Save, your bank account will automatically be disconnected on your QuickBooks account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!